We've got St David's Day tomorrow, 1st of March, and the Prince and Princess of Wales are in South Wales to champion mental health initiatives today and meet local communities there. The latest pictures just coming in for us, and this is the arrival a little later. And Cameron, our royal reporter, with us in the studio. This is a rehabilitation centre, gardens and allotments, Brynhowell, and volunteers helping people with various problems to actually, well, I think plant seeds and enjoy the garden and herbs and so on. It's quite a sort of holistic approach.
Yeah, there seems to be a lot going on today, Mark. It's very much a mental health day, I think, is how I would put it. 3 separate engagements we're getting from the Prince and Princess of Wales in South Wales. The pictures you are seeing now on your screens for those watching on television is at Aberavon Leisure Centre. It's one of the most deprived communities in Wales, Aberavon. In fact, I think it's in the lowest 4%, actually. They lost their leisure centre back in 2009 due to a devastating fire. They now have a brand new one with state-of-the-art facilities. So the Prince and Princess of Wales, I'm told, could take part in the spin class there. It's all about sport and exercise, improving your mental health. But as you were saying earlier, Mark, I think that the headline of today for the Prince and Princess of Wales is their new community impact project, and that is the therapy garden, the allotments which you were talking about earlier. The Royal Foundation, which is their charity arm, has provided funding and has helped a local organisation provide funding for 6 new mental health gardens, as it were, where we have seen the Princess of Wales planting seeds, William seeds, because the flower has been named after Prince William
Sweet
this
Williams,
morning.
do we suggest?
Sweet Williams, perhaps.
Yeah,
I'm told it's going to take 2 years to grow, though, but yes.
There won't be Sweet Williams, then. But interesting that they're clearly, I think, talking firsthand with those who've suffered from drug and alcohol addiction problems and mental health problems. And we think back, this was an initiative, of course, and that's when they were the Fab Four. We remember with 2 others who are not named at the moment. And this, is being carried through even with their attachment to Wales. So this is their initiative, if you like, for the couple.
It certainly is. In fact, it almost started before the Fab Four, which you're talking about, came into being. It was the Heads Together campaign of the Royal Foundation, which was Prince and Princess of Wales, Duke and Duchess of Cambridge at the time, and Prince Harry, all about breaking down the stigmas to do with mental health. Now, of course, the Royal Foundation just belongs to William and Catherine, and we've really seen this theme of their work over the last 7-8 years or so from William and Kate about mental health, particularly addiction. The reason the Princess of Wales started her early childhood initiative, which we spoke about last month, talking about the importance of the first 5 years of a child's life.
Education.
The reason Catherine set that up is because she found that a lot of problems later on in life, particularly to do with addiction, alcohol and drugs and so on, the trauma stems from the first 5 years. So this is Will and Kate talking to people who have unfortunately suffered from those addictions.
And maybe from early deprivation in these sorts of areas, perhaps.
Exactly.